Hi boys and girls. This week we are on our final vowel sound for your kindergarten school year, and this week we're practicing the letter U. U makes two sounds. U and A. U for ukulele. A for under. U and A. All right, so let's read over our list of long U and short U words. First we have ukulele, and I was holding up a ukulele, which is like a little guitar. It only has 4 strings though. Most guitars have 6 strings. The next word on our list is unique. Like if something is different, it's unique. Under that we have uniform. You hear that U in the beginning? Sometimes people wear a uniform. The next one is unite. Like that means to come together, like the United States of America. And the last one over here is the word use. For our short U, we have under. So any word that begins with un is going to be a short U word, like unsure or undershirt. Next we have up. Up. And then we have umbrella. Umbrella. Next is uncle. Give a thumbs up if you have an uncle. And the last one is us. All right. Let's see if you can think of any other words that start with U or A, because U makes two sounds. U and A. All right. Have a good day, students.